Hi, welcome again to the Money Minute. I'm Devin Shute. So you remember in our last few videos we discussed the details of taking money offshore and also the potential offshore opportunities that we're currently seeing in the market. However, to expand this conversation, investors also need to consider possible opportunities in our domestic market. Now, currently the South African market is facing significant challenges that we are all well too aware of. These are things like chronic power cuts, poor infrastructure, and high unemployment. But investing, however, is oftentimes not as straightforward as that. For starters, the JSE is not an exchange that represents the local economy, and up to 70% of revenues of JSE listed companies are generated offshore. And this comes from the likes of the big companies like Naspers, BHP Billiton, Richemont, and British American Tobacco. Secondly, many of the issues that our economy is facing are already reflected in valuations of local companies, particularly the likes of banks and retailers. Put another way, many South African assets are incredibly cheap. This has been confirmed by large international companies coming in like Heineken and buying up local companies like Distel. Now, while the local economy clearly still presents risks for investors, cheap valuations do provide some protection. And also from a long-term perspective, it's really worth noting that the JSE has delivered the best after inflation returns out of any stock market since 1900. Now, if our economy simply had to do a little bit less worse than expected, we could actually see some significantly higher returns on our local market. However, investors should be aware that of the risks involved and that their portfolios are well diversified. This will provide protection against concentrated risks of being too heavily exposed to either a geography or specific asset class. So at TRG, we manage our fund-of-fund range on this basis to ensure our clients receive the benefit of a well-diversified, quality portfolio in a single investment vehicle. Thank you as always for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and have a great week.